How to fix the maximum number of attempts reached try again later login error in TikTok. If you're encountering the maximum number of attempts reached try again later error on TikTok, it's typically due to failed login attempts within a short period. This is a security measure to protect your account. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up your settings, then scroll down and tap on apps. Now, find TikTok and tap on that. Here, you want to tap on storage. Go ahead and tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. Now, you want to wait for a couple of hours because TikTok imposes a temporary lockout after several failed login attempts. This logout can last anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. Now, you simply want to check if that fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then the next thing is to check your internet connection. For that, open up your settings, scroll down and tap on developers option. If you haven't enabled developer mode, you will have to do that first. Now, you want to toggle on the option of Wi-Fi scan throttling, then scroll down a bit and toggle on mobile data always active. After this, you can restart your device and check if that fixes your issue. If not, then the third thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now search for TikTok and tap on the update option if update is available. If even by updating the app this problem is not fixed, you simply want to uninstall the app. After uninstalling TikTok, you want to again reinstall it from Play Store or App Store, and with these steps you will be able to fix this problem. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.